And we're back to more Harvest Moon.
Hey, everybody.
Yeah, check this. I think, there's the Chicken Festival today. Don't want to miss out on that.
Why are you in the house?
Good question.
I don't remember putting him in there.
Huh. Neither do I. Oh, hey, things are already growing.
Yay.
Two. Four.
And 5.
Alright, I'm just gonna go brush our horse.
Oh, you were easy to find. Good horse.
Now we just gotta go steal some random chicken to enter into the chicken contest.
Well, all we have to do is, punch Rick in the face and take his chicken.
Yeah, that's fine. Alright,
We'll
let's harvest their things in the forest.
Yep.
Hey, squirrel.
Why can't I keep you in my house?
Would you really want a squirrel in the house?
In this house?
Yeah.
Sure.
Your actual house?
Hell no. There'd be squirrel crap all over the place.
As soon as we drop this, check our money situation.
You can do that now, actually. Yeah.
Alright.
Not too bit shabby right now.
No. Now remember, he's not going to come today.
Yeah.
We might as well go check out this festival.
It's not like we have anything better.
Not really. I mean, I don't even think the store's open.
Yeah, none of them are open on festival days.
No.
I mean, it would be a good opportunity to smash out the supermarket window and take all the seeds.
Yeah, obvious suspect is obvious.
Yeah.
Actually, just check. It probably is closed, but you never know. Yeah.
It's like, help! Help! I cut my hand off! We're closed for the festival!
Actually, I don't think the hospital closes. No?
Yeah, it does. I can just imagine if you injure yourself on a
Gee, I hope I don't come down very terminal on a festival day.
I got a terminal case of nail to my head.
Ooh, that sounds serious.
Hey, Four Eyes.
Today's the Chicken Festival. You know, we have the contest to see who has the strongest head. So we're cockfighting.
Pretty much.
And that's legal in this town.
Apparently.
And apparently that just activates the sea. The Chicken Festival's over. Please everyone take home your chins and all the garbage from the turkeys.
What?
Well, that was unceremonious. I thought the mayor always activated the stuff. Apparently
So
Rick. I don't know. I don't remember. I blacked in talking to Rick.
I don't know. I didn't get to do anything. You're supposed to manage this thing, not before I rip the chicken.
Just
Whatever. I mean, you all suck. Didn't get to have any fun.
That was fun. Well, let's get back to work. Good to know, though, for next year.
Yeah. Do not talk to Rick.
Until we're ready. Especially since next year we should have chickens. Pardon me, everyone.
So.
Where are you going?
Chop down some wood.
Oh, yeah, we're still on PM. I'm sorry. I thought we started a new day for some reason, because that's what I'm used to on the 64.
Sometimes it does do that.
Yeah. We established it sticks.
Yeah. For some reason, I just sometimes have to
Count it out.
bullshit to count it out.
I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. Work all night, sleep all day.
Except his were big. I'm a lumberjack. I hate my life. I chop wood all night.
Wow.
And wake up in the morning.
Your rhyme scheme's terrible.
Yeah, I know. You come up with something better.
I don't know.
See, you can't do it.
I probably could have put effort into that, but I don't want to because I don't want.
Don't open your door.
There's an exploding maniac outside. Why do we just chopping the logs? But I mean, what's a log to a human skull?
Okay, so what to do? Check our log situation. 242.
Yep.
Suppose I should visit Dude and see how much remodel will cost.
Yeah. 5,000 to remodel.
Okay.
I think 500 wood, maybe?
Oh my.
Yeah, building is atrocious in this game.
Yeah. I think we're good.
Yeah, I think we can call it a night.
What do you need today, buddy?
Sandwiches.
Nice, you can just shove them all in your big gob.
Oh, awesome. Boy.
So, forest for foraging, and then.
God damn. Hey, Cardi, I'm back. Hello, Mr. Mayor.
Hey, Mr. Mayor. What do you want this time?
Thanks, I visited Ella today. She was very happy when you went there like that.
That was 2 days ago.
Yeah, and you were here yesterday. We saw you.
Yeah.
We spoke to you. Doug was impressed too, so I bought some cake. Oh. Well, see you later.
Bye.
You got free cake and money out of that deal.
Did I get money?
Well, no, Ellen gave you money when...
Right. Well,
I mean, we could have refused the tip, but
I'll bother.
we're hard-working firemen. We need the money. Oh, this is good. Everything's coming in.
Yep. Now off to the woods.
Is that the power of the gold one?
Hmm?
Oh, look that up later. Something tells me, though, like, upgrading it also helps the crops grow faster.
Could be. Hey, Ann.
Oh, Cody, you came too.
Yeah. Pinky.
At our poultry farm, Mom tends the store, and my brother takes care of the chickens.
Yeah, don't care. You're creepy.
Love me, Cody.
Yeah, I was meaning for that to be the axe, but I forgot I wanted the stuff,
So instead, you got her wet instead of axing her.
Sure. Whatever you say, Devin.
I know what I said, and I still stand by it. If anyone wants to take it in context, be my guest.
If you go there, you drive the car to that place.
That was a road I'm not willing to go down. I'm with you. Don't forget to fill up the water in the can. And we gotta brush some lips. Ah! Cody!
Asa, we won't discuss it.
But we need to address the elephant in the room, Cody. Address the elephant.
How I just a product?
Not just any product, the weed you found off the ground.
Fine. I see we're back to,
He was right there. Sav. Other way.
This way?
Yeah. There.
Oh. Stop running, you dunderhead. There we go.
Alright.
There. So we make less money now, but, you know, it's fine.
You cut half our profits again.
You know, by 50.
Yeah, half our profits are gone for the day.
I won't eat any of this stuff.
Hugh, when Cody eats all of our products.
Not gonna happen.
Ah, crap, we missed the bar, or the wine.
Damn it. Oh. Should be.
It's fine.
Yeah.
But we should go buy more seed then. If we're...
Let me just make sure.
Oh, hey.
It's always open.
Oh, yeah, it's always
when you
open.
talk.
She probably won't sell it. Yeah.
Does he also cry?
Probably.
Because if he does, slap him.
I'm sorry, Karen, we were going to booze you up today, but Cody had to go on a rant about how he was going to eat product. Though he clearly showed he will eat product.
Yeah, blame it all on me.
Well, you're the one who did it.
Wasn't intentional.
Yeah, but you still did it. Are you kidding me?
You're closed on Tuesdays, aren't you?
Yep, Tuesdays and Sundays. Hey, wanna watch me tempt fate? Could today get any worse?
I'm gonna go make fun of Sad Sack.
That's the only joy we'll get out of today. Hey, sad sack, why are you so sad?
What's up, Sad Sack? Why are you so sad all the time?
There's gonna be some, like, really depressing reason, and we're gonna feel like assholes for why he comes to the church and is sad. Like, I'm going to assume maybe a parent or a loved one passed away. And the gossip circle that you can... Hey, there's only 2 at the gossip circle. Where's the 3rd?
That is a good question.
Let's go check the beach. We've been trying to get the fishing rod too, right? Open the door. Hey Kai, what you selling today? Let's go to pizza.
You want a pizza?
I want a pizza.
Okay.
That was an entire pizza just down your gullet.
So, character, you just ate a pizza whole. How?
You know, you fold it over and then it's like an Italian taco.
That's a good way of looking at it. Yeah, I kind of want pizza.
Oh yeah, chopping wood.
Yeah.
Is he still open?
No.
Damn it. Mental note. We gotta come here someday and just double check everything.
Yeah.
I might be wrong on the wood amount.
That would be great. Because it would take one hell of a long time to collect that much wood.
Yeah. I think it might be just 100 or something.
Oh, that would be great.
But it is 5,000, I know that much.
Yeah, I think the crops we've got now will take care of that.
Well, we're
And if
using
we keep growing and growing and growing.
we did unnecessarily buy a pizza.
Yeah, I was just going by what you said, so.
We gotta treat ourselves every so often.
Yeah.
Also, it puts you in good books with Kai.
Oh, yeah.
And since he's only here for the summer.
Once he's gone, thank God.
Yeah.
And...
272.
Ooh.
And we have 500 bucks left. He came today.
Okay, great. We got paid.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
That's why I was like, I think we are safe on buying that pizza.
Okay, so as long as she's doing good on hearts, and Rosa is as well.
Yeah. Alright, almost lovely. I should go back to that last one.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, it's more.
So we've. I think that says we've spent 4,500.
Yeah.
And have made 1,700.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah. That will change. What we really need to get is hot house at some point.
Mm-hmm.
That's through the wood upgrade, so that.
Where am I going?
I was hoping you were going home, but you're the master of your destiny, man.
Anything that needs to be cleared up?
Not really, not until we start expanding our field. Actually, just check our, the corner that we've been working on.
Corner?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah,
where we've been planting all this time. Just want to see how cleaned up that is. I'd get the scythe out and just clean a little bit of this grass up.
Yeah. Go to maybe midnight.
Yeah, it's fine. Actually, no, it is 10:30. Yeah. Tomorrow night we should probably clean up. We're not in a rush. Well, with that, we'll call it the episode here. Until next time, I'm Devin.
I'm Cody.
Have a good one, guys.